Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we are discuss about how can we make an image black and white also in real time using OpenCV and Python. So let's get started. I'll create a file in my Jupyter notebook. So not actually Jupyter notebook, in my server text. So here is it. So black underscore white dot py, and so now I am going to import CB2. Okay. So import CB2. So now we are trying to read our image. So here is my target image, hands-on machine learning with scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow. You can follow this book. So awesome book, okay, and so good book, okay. So now we are going to input our image. So CB2 have built-in library called cb2.emd for reading an image. So you need to put here your image name. So in my case it's book.jpg, okay, and you have to put here something called 1 for BGR channel, okay. You can put here 0 for grayscale image, okay. So now if you wanted to show your image in your pop-up, so simply you have to put here cb2.rm show, okay, and simply put here a name. Let's call here image, okay, and put here image, okay. cb2.whatkey. So inside this parameter you have to put here 0, and let's say cb2 dot destroy all window, okay. So we're trying to run this for control B, okay. So you can see my image, okay. So here's my book image as a BGR format, okay. So let's close it. So if I try to change it as a 0, okay, so you can see here as a grayscale image, okay. So let's close it. So now it's time to make our image in black and white. Has a simple logic. Simply you have to make your image in threshold, okay. You have to apply threshold value first, okay. So CB2 have a built-in library called cb2.threshold, okay. So you can see cb2.cb2 threshold has, first one you have to give the source and the threshold value 1 and the max value and the type, okay. So and the retrieval, everything is the retrieval about DST, okay. So first source, so our source in my case is source is img, and simply you have to put your threshold 1, okay. So minimum value I have to put here, let's say 128, and the maximum value is 255 because of the visual channel have 255 channel, okay. So cb2 dot, let's say trash binary, because we are going to convert our image in a black and white. So black and white means it's a binary image, okay, because we already I mean convert our image in a grayscale, so this will be a binary image, okay. So you simply put here a optional parameter 1, okay. So put in the variable, let's say trash equal, and try to print it out, okay. So let's say here threshold, okay, and make it capital, and simply put here your threshold. So let me trash, oh, okay. So if you run this program for control B, okay, so you can see here as a grayscale image and a threshold image. So it is a black and white, okay. So let's close it here and make it, let's say 1, okay, and try to run this, okay. So you can see here is your image, and it's not a black and white because we are, you can see something called some brightness or contrast image, okay. And this is the actually mean of threshold. So if you're trying to make it as a grayscale, so this image will be black and white, okay. So let's close it out. So this is another way to make your image grayscale, okay. So here is it. So gray equal cb2 dot, let's say cbt color, and you have to put here your source and the code and dst and the dstcn, okay. So not necessary here. So simply put here your image here and put your cb2 have a build in here, let's say color bgr to gray, okay. And in threshold you have to simply pass here your gray, run it for control B. So you can see here is the original image and is my threshold. I mean, it's my black and white image. Okay. If we're trying to make this project in real time, so you simply put here a while loop and a video capture of it. So let's make it. Close it here. Okay, so let's initial that video capture of that. So put here, let's say video equals cb2 dot, let's say video capture, and simply put here 0 because we are using our default webcam. Okay, so let's put here a while loop, while as in final loop. Okay, so rat, let's say frame. Okay, let's say video dot read. Okay, okay, so we did need to use this line here because we are going to uh, make our image, I mean make our frame in a what say black and white. Okay, so simply put into the indentation, and I also make here something called k equal white key, let's say 1. So if in your path, let's say if in your press q, so this will be black. Okay, so let's say black, and you also release your video, so that's a release. Okay, so here's my code symbol. Okay, so let's run it for Control B. Okay, it opening our webcam. Okay, some problem. cb2 dot okay, image is 25. Okay, no problem. I have to simply put the frame, so let's say frame and run it again. Oh, I think some problem here. Okay, I forget to make it a image. Okay, sorry for mistake. Okay, so let's say frame. Okay, and image check, not. Okay, okay, so this will open my default webcam, so you can see my picture and my threshold, I mean the black and white. Okay, so here's my black and white and it's my original image. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for never missing an update. Bye bye.